Hello everyone, welcome back to the Abyss YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to create a free Power BI account by using Gmail. So let's get started. So open your local Chrome browser or any browser that you have. Come to this Google bar, search Dynamic Microsoft 365. Now once you search that, scroll down, come to the first option, Dynamic 365 Agentic AI. Scroll down, click on the try for free. Now scroll down. There are a lot of options are there. You need to go with the first one, dynamic sales, 365 sales. Click on try for free. It's asking for the mail ID. Just give a mail ID. It's asking for please enter the work email ID that you have. To continue this particular email ID, set up a new mail. So click on the set up a new mail over here and just wait. And it's asking for the mail ID and then start creating account. So let me give my mail ID. So if you don't have account, you need to create it. Click on set up account. Just give your name and everything. You can give your number if you want, but if you don't want to give them, you can just give random number. Company name, you can give any you want. It does have to be very specific. You don't have a company website. It should be India. India. Uh, Next. It's asking for the now. Just wait for a second. It's asking for the username. So let my username will be Naveed and the domain will be at the rate free AC free account Power BI. So this will be my domain name. So ultimately, what will I get as a domain name? So uh, what will I get as a domain name? So let me make it as a small letter and click on save. So Control C, Naveed at the rate. This will be the domain name. And then this will be the my last name. So ultimately, this will be my ID. Let me create the password. So just wait for a while. It's getting the count. So don't do anything. So this is my name. This is my name, address, ABC, doesn't want to be specific. 7, save city, let's say Kolkata. I can just give my state as well. It's asking for the PAN number right now. You need to do one thing. Just open a new tab and search Power BI service. Now come to this first option. So click on continue. and it's already automatically detect my email ID. So if you don't have email ID, you can leave it off. Okay, doesn't have to like uh if you don't show up the email ID, you can copy paste the one that you have created. Okay, now come to this this search India. I'm not able to search this, that's why I'm just scroll in India. Title with JR analyst. Okay, and click on get started. The number, anything I want to give my number, get started. So now you'll see, click on get started. So it's take a few minutes to set up an environment. When it's done, then I'll show you how you can connect with your Power BI account as well. As you can see, the Power BI service is now active. As in, right, if I try to click over here, you'll see my name as well as the email ID. Now come to this Power BI, click on the sign in option. Now, what you need to do, copy the one email ID that we had, paste over here, click on continue. Use account, new email ID, click on next, write the password. Now, in my some case, you might need to do verification, but now you'll see the Power BI account has been created. So that's it for all. So thank you for the watching video. I hope you guys created the Power BI account. See you in the next one.